Okay, so hello everyone, good evening. So today myself and Ninad sir both will be there. So initially we will take some revision, the revision questions of the yesterday's continuation for first 15 minutes, quick quiz, and after that Ninad sir will continue with the today's class. So I will share my screen and immediately you will have to start answering in the sequence which I am telling you. So first student to answer will be, as per the list, it will be Akanksha. So similar sequence yesterday. First Akanksha, then Chinmay, Trisha, Ovi, Sai, Sanika, Saili, Saima, Ali and Vedika. And if someone joins later, then he can answer later. So Akanksha, you start answering the first questions, which I will display on the screen now. So do you know the answer of this? Which of the following is called as the blue city?
B. Jodhpur.
Jodhpur. Okay, correct. Next question to Chinmay. Which of the following is famous for Madhubani style art?
A. Odisha.
No, it is Bihar. So just note it down quickly. Madhubani style art is for Bihar. Third question is for Trisha. What is the difference between mortar and concrete?
Option C.
Okay, so I think option C and D both are correct, because in concrete there is one additional material which is aggregate, and in cement mortar there is no aggregate. So that is also right. So whatever you are saying, the difference in materials and the difference in proportions also naturally, because since there are only two main materials in cement mortar, it will be 1:6 proportion, and since there are three ingredients in concrete, it will be 1:2:4 or 1:3:6. Okay. Next question is for Ovi.
Option C.
Correct. Next question, Sai.
Option A. Pentagon.
Read it carefully. How is it cut, vertically or horizontally? So just imagine that you have a cylinder which is circular, and that I am cutting in between. So how will it be seen if I see it from the side? Vertically, if I cut it and see it from the side, how will you see it?
Rectangle. Option B.
So here also it will be rectangle. Correct. So even though it is a pentagonal cylinder, still when I cut it, I will see it as a rectangle.
Rectangle.
Next question is for Sanika. Arrange the words in a meaningful sequence. Sanika has left the meeting. Okay, so next student, Saili. Can you answer this?
Option A.
Option A you are saying, but they are saying C. So C is what? Clay. Then it is bricks. Then next wall. Then next is room, and then the next one is house. So they are trying to creating a sequence of activities. So first you will have clay basically with you. From clay you will make bricks. From bricks you will make wall. From wall you will make room, and from room you will make house. So that is how the sequence they want from you in such a question. So don't get confused on this. Next question to Saima.
Jodhpur Fort Palace.
No, it is Amir Fort. Amir. So just revise the famous buildings. So that is what Dr. Indranath sir is going to take today after this quiz is over. So all the forts actually look very similar to each other. So you will have to find out peculiar characteristic of each fort. So it may be say because of the material or the color or its location or its say appearance. So all these can be the factors. The next question is for Swarali. City of Dreams.
Option D.
D, correct. Mumbai, correct. Next question is for Akanksha. From the multi-view projection, select the correct isometric. Multi-view means it can have any sort of a sequence. It can be plan, it can be elevation.
Option C.
Okay, so was it say Vedika's turn or say Akanksha's turn?
Yes, sir, it was mine.
Oh, okay. So what is the option which you are seeing? Option C.
C.
Correct. C is right. So basically they have shown this in a different orientation, and that's why you are seeing it like this. And if you see this from the top, probably top view of this, then you will see it like this. So this is, I think, a question which has come in the previous year's NATA exam. So just be careful while answering such questions if they ask. A multi-view projection means it can be view from any side, and the orientation of the main figure can be say rotated. That means. Next question is for now Akanksha.
C.
Correct. Sedimentary is right. Next question is for Krisha.
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Correct. Absolutely right. So since there are triangles, so when we fold it upon a square, it will form a pyramid, square base pyramid. Next question is for Ovi.
C.
No, it is not resting on any arches. It is a steel structure. Arch is something different. Arch means a semicircular opening. We have seen that. Next, say, identify top view.
Option D.
B, correct, absolutely right. Next question is for Sanika.
Option A.
No. So they are asking you not a renewable energy resource. So all others are renewable, if you see. Tidal, solar and wind. But fossils, once they are depleted, they are finished. Next question, Usaid. Sally, can you answer?
Option B.
No. So the answer has to be, okay, so they are asking about southern hemisphere, right? So we are in the northern hemisphere. So generally what happens in the northern hemisphere, the north light is what we use. And in the southern hemisphere actually it should be reverse. That is, the south light will be more uniform. So the answer may be wrong here in this case. Next, Saima.
Empire State Building.
Yes, absolutely right. Next, Sorali. Sorali, do you have any idea? Any guess?
D.
No, it is A. Sen Kapadia. Architect. So just note it down. Next is Vedika.
Option A.
Correct. A is right. Option A and B are very close to each other, but the only difference is that the line which is there in the center, it is not cutting the square which is there in the middle. Next question is for Akanksha. Akanksha, are you there? Okay, she doesn't seem to be connected. Next is Chinmay. Chinmay, you can answer. Hello?
A. Sir, option A.
No. Akshardham temple is in Delhi. So just note it down. Tisha.
D2.
Correct. Next, Veer. Sydney Opera House was designed by Veer. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what should be the answer?
Sir, is it A?
Correct. A is right. Wrong answer. Next question, Ovi.
Gopuram.
Gopuram, correct. So the entrance gate of the South Indian temples. So more prominently called as Gopuram. Next, Sai.
I think option D.
Hmm, so that, so this is interesting. Mulberry wood. So even I didn't know this. Mulberry wood is used for making sports wood. Next, Sanika.
D.
Evil, correct. Next, Sai.
Sir, can it be evil death also?
Yes, death also can be depicted, but it, it cannot be a symbol basically. Symbol means that it is say, depicting something. So it will be evil generally. If you want to show evil, you will use black. Next is Sanika. Or I think Sanika only answered right. Saili.
Option C.
Fatehpur Sikri, correct. Next, Simon.
Option C.
Correct. Next is for Swaraj. Tigris River runs through which country? Swarali, do you know the answer?
No, sir.
Okay, so you can guess something because there is, as it is, there is no negative mark. So in the paper also follow the same technique.
Option B.
No, it is Syria. Next, Vedika. Kol Gumbaz of Bijapur is
Option D, Muslim.
correct. Last, 1:1.618. Anyone can tell this. Correct. Okay. So such type of questions can be asked in the exam. Now, okay, what we can conclude from this is that most of the students are lacking basic general knowledge. So that you will have to revise a little bit because general knowledge is one part which will be asked in the exam. Okay. So now Inad sir, so are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
So can you share your screen?
Yes. Just a minute. I'm working on it. Hello. So am I audible? Ninad sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. But I think he's adjusting his screen. I think. So just let's wait for, okay, he has some problem with the connection. So let's wait for a minute or else we will continue.
आणि कनेक्टिव्हिटी टू दॅट सबजेक्ट
ओके
जॉईन
ओके
झालोय ऍक्च्युली फक्त
बरं
माइंड ऍडजस्ट करतो.
ओके ओके ठीक आहे. So he has joined actually. So there is some connectivity issue at his end. So we are waiting for him. I can see him in the meeting.
Hello, is the noise okay now?
Yes.
Is the noise going?
Yes. Yes. We are able to hear you.
Okay, okay, great. So, good evening, students. And what we would like to do is we will follow the same sequence today as the answering thing. And I guess we can go by alphabetical order as Neil sir was telling you right now. And what we are doing today is
Hello.
hello,
Yes. Yes.
yeah.
Your voice is breaking.
Sir, your voice is okay. There is a disturbance in the background.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Just a yeah. Is it better now?
Yes, we are able to hear you.
Okay.
Yes, but there is some noise which is coming. But you can continue. No problem.
Okay, 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 sure. So, yeah. So, Akanksha, from starting from you, we can start guessing the buildings. So, this is totally upon the knowledge of buildings you have. And to be very honest, the buildings are tricky. So, be sure that you guess it with a little bit of mindfulness. Okay, Akanksha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm presenting my screen now. Yeah. Yes. Can you guess the building?
We are not able to see.
Is it
Ah,
is it
yes.
visible?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you make it a little larger?
Yeah.
Yes.
Akanksha, can you guess the building?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Can anybody guess the building?
Sir, is it in Goa?
Yes. Correct.
Sir, is it a church?
Yes. Exactly correct. This is Britona Church in Goa. So if you don't know, just make a note. And today, after today's lecture, I'll be sharing all of these images on the classroom so that you can go through this whenever you can. Okay. So today we will be seeing all these buildings and we'll be trying to guess their names. Okay. So tell me, next person. Who's the next person?
Next is I think Chinmay.
Okay. Yeah.
Chinmay, you can attempt to identify. Any idea you have? Or not?
No, sir.
Okay. Again, another thing. It is still in Goa, and it's a very famous chapel. It's a very famous church. Sorry. It's the Kandolim Church in Goa. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anybody for this? See, these images are really, really rare, and that's why these images are. I've got these images from NATA website only. So, the NATA database. So they used to ask questions out of these images only. Everyone used to get these images for identifying the buildings. So if you don't know this, just try to remember this building by its quality, the material. Can you see the stone and plastering work and the photograph? Just store it in your memory. It is the Chapel Saint Catherine in Goa only. Okay. Anybody for this? So I'll do one thing. I'll go to another category. Yeah. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? It's a very famous structure in India.
Dilwara temple.
Yes, very good. Who was this? Who guessed it?
Krisha.
Oh, okay. Very good, Krisha. Very good. So Dilwara temple is very famous. Same. What is this? Anybody? Okay, Mihir. After Krisha, I guess Mihir is there, right? Can you guess the structure, Mihir?
I don't know, sir.
Sir, is it the interior part of Dilwara temple?
Yes, very good. Who was this?
Sir, Vedika.
Yeah, so those who don't know about this can just remember this, that the Dilwara temple, the interior part, this is the interior part of it. Something like that. Yeah, so this is the exterior part, this is the interior part of it. So now tell me, and just remember, what is this, which temple is this?
Sir, it is also Dilwara temple.
Very good, very good. So always remember that these temples, they will just give you like similar photos in the same exam also. Okay, tell me which is this? Which temple is this? Anybody? If you don't know this temple, just make a note that this is a Mahalasa temple. This is in Goa. This one? Anybody? Guys, this is a very famous temple, very famous. Again, it is in Goa. Nobody knows this? This is Mangeshi temple, guys. Remember the architecture and the form of this. This is a very unique form it has. Very unique style it has. It's a Mangeshi temple of Goa. Okay. Then this is
Shanta Durga temple.
very good, Vedika. Very good. And this is
Shanta Durga.
very good. From another angle. Yes. This one?
Elephanta cave.
Elephanta caves.
Nice. Very good. Very good.
Interior of Elephanta cave.
Correct. 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 Yes. This is
Adil Shah Palace.
yeah. Very good. Who was this?
Krisha.
Okay. Very good. Very good, Krisha. And this one? It's a Kolarch building. It's a Kolarch building. Remember this. Pondicherry. This one? Anybody?
So it's the same building.
No. There's a difference in between those buildings. Look at the styles. Look at the windows. It's not the same building. This building is called as Singhbal building. And these are very, very famous buildings in India. So it's something like we are not doing any building from outside of India. We are doing buildings from India right now. So you have to take care of this because Council of Architecture will usually ask questions according to the styles of the building. So now you can understand on the first day when we covered styles. So the styles are different. Okay, this one is a very famous structure and historical structure. We are dealing with historical buildings only. So anybody can guess this? Can anybody guess this? अगर नहीं पता तो बोल दो नहीं पता मैं बता दूंगा आंसर डोंट वरी everybody will get to know about that. This is a Viceroy's Arch. Do you know in British colonial times you used to have Viceroy in India?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, Kanksha. This is Viceroy's Arch. Remember this. Okay, can anybody tell me which part is this? Which part is this?
Buland Darwaza.
Buland Darwaza.
Seriously? Is it? Is it Buland Darwaza?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Can you guess this?
Panch Mahal.
But where is it?
Fatehpur Sikri.
Very nice, very nice. This one? Any guesses on this?
This is also in Fatehpur Sikri.
Yes, exactly. Fatehpur Sikri was what? It was
Town.
what?
Town in Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, but it was what? It was famous for what? Okay, find it out. Why Fatehpur Sikri was really famous? And why Agra was famous? Akbar ने क्या किया था फतेहपुर सिकरी में? What is this? Very nice. Who was
Birbal's
this?
house.
Yeah, वेदिका है. किसने और गेस किया? और किसने गेस किया? Guys. Oh, okay. बाकी लोग क्या सो गए क्या? स्वराली, साइमा, सानिका, साइली, मिहिर, चिन्मय, क्या हो गया? Okay, just simple.
Gateway of India.
Very nice.
Golgumbas.
Okay.
Golconda Fort.
Yes. Okay. Now I would like Krisha and Vedika to stop guessing because the rest of the people are not guessing at all. What's the answer? Krisha? Vedika? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
even if you know the answer, let others guess the answer first, and then you can. Then I'll ask you to say the answer. Let others also guess the answer. Okay. Let
Okay,
them
sir.
let them search for it. Okay. Okay. Tell me, Mihir, Chinmay, Ovi, Sai, Sanika, Saili. Do you know the answer? If you know the answer, tell me. Otherwise, just let me know if you don't know the answer. Then you'll ask Vedika and Krishan.
I don't know the answer.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else from the rest of the class? Right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Krisha, Sanika, Krisha, Vedika.
Same food.
Krisha, your voice is little bit low.
Sir, it's the same food.
Yeah. Okay. So everybody getting this? It's the same foot, just different angle. Look at this. This is while going up the fort, and this is after reaching the fort. Reaching up the fort. It's from the summit. This is
Gwalior Fort.
very good, Chinmay. Very good. Nice. This one,
Hawa Mahal.
very nice, Saima. Okay, this one, it's a very famous structure in temple structures.
Sir, this is in Khajuraho.
No, actually, this is in Haribid. So, Vedika, Krisha, do you know this?
No, sir, I don't know.
Krisha?
No, sir.
Okay, this is Hoysala temple. Hoysala, in ancient times used to have Hoysala, where people used to go and learn, just like Nalanda. So this is Hoysala temple in Haribid. This is the same temple. Look at the intricacies and the temple structure. So you can see how perfectly and very nicely they have carved the columns. You can see the structure of columns, the style in columns. It's very beautiful. So always remember, this is Hoysala temple. Okay. Anybody? पहले बाकी लोगों को गेस करने दो, कृषा एंड वेदिका. आकांक्षा ने कुछ नहीं बोला अभी.
Sir, it is Humayun tomb.
Yes, correct. Akanksha, are you there? Ovi, Sai.
It's also Humayun's tomb.
Yeah, it is the same structure. Correct. This I think I don't know. I don't have to force anybody. Those who haven't answered.
India Gate.
Yeah. I'll show you the nicer photo of this. This one or this one also. Guess the structure. They can ask you to
Sir,
guess. Yeah.
is Nivas, but I don't know the first.
Yeah, it's okay. It's Nivas only. It's a palace, but
Yes.
they can ask you to guess the city of the structure also. Where this structure is in.
Udaipur.
Very nice. Very nice. राजस्थान तो broader spectrum हो गया, so वो valid नहीं है. वैसे हर एक structure इंडिया में भी हो सकता है. अभी जो देखा तो वो broader set हो गया ना उसका. You have to go to the subset. In Rajasthan, we go for Mewar and then Udaipur and then this is Jag Nivas. JG Jag Nivas. Okay. Yeah, this one.
Mahabalipuram temple.
No. Mahabalipuram temple is very different. This style is
Konark
completely different.
Temple.
No.
Sun Temple.
No.
Khajuraho Temple.
No.
Jagdamba temple.
Yes, very good. चिन्मय कैसे पता चला?
Sir, I visited there.
हाँ, nice, very nice. मुझे लगा गूगल किया कि क्या? 2
Hmm?
मिनट. मुझे लगा गूगल किया 2 मिनट में.
नहीं.
Okay. Yeah. So very nice. It's a Jagdamba temple. Okay. कहाँ पे है चिन्मय? आपने विजिट किया है ना?
Sir, Madhya Pradesh, Khajuraho.
Yes, very nice. So it's a Jagdamba temple. Okay. So here's after my. Yeah. Okay. Yes. ये भी और ये भी सेम फोटोज है. Can you guess what is this? Anybody? This Jahangir Mahal. Orcha में जहांगीर महल. जहांगीर का महल था. Okay, can you guess this? It's a very famous palace in Mysore.
Yes.
If you know, then let me know.
Jai Vilas Palace.
Yeah, very good. Nice. Okay. Simple. Very simple structure now. This one or this one, they can ask you both 2 images of the same place to make you less confused. Guess. This Jaigarh Fort. Jaigarh का किला पता है? Jaigarh. This is the Jaigarh Fort. Okay. Guys, make a note of this, huh? Okay. Do you know what is this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fort
Yeah.
Wada.
कौन सा?
Mysore Palace.
No,
ओ अरे यार, मैसूर पैलेस कैसे हो सकता है? उसके आर्चेस देखो, उसका स्टोन देखो, उसका वर्क देखो. मैसूर पैलेस को ऐसा रंग भी है क्या? स्टोन कौन सा है वो? ये कलर देख के आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि ये राजस्थान में है. Always remember, your this sense has to be very strong. That you should know according to which stone, which material, the structure lies where. This is the same structure. Anybody guess this?
So this is in Jaisalmer.
Yeah, very good.
Rajwada.
Yes, very good. It's the Jaisalmer Fort. Has anybody visited this?
Yes, sir.
Nice, very nice. Okay. Next structure is very easy, so I would like. कौन करेगा volunteer? Sanika, Kolapkar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you'll be guessing this. Sanika. नहीं पता? Come on, unmute. Talk to me, yaar.
No, sir.
Okay, Saidi, Saima.
Jama Masjid.
No,
Very
sir.
good, very good. So it's a Jama Masjid. It's in Delhi. It's a very huge structure. Remember this, okay? Ovi, can you guess this?
Jantar Mantar.
Very nice.
Jantar
So
Mantar.
you can remember these buildings by its shapes, right? As it's really
Yes, sir.
little bit different, it's quirky, so you can remember it. Very nice. How many of you have seen Bandish Bandits on Prime? This structure is there. Or has anybody seen this movie called as The Dark Knight Rises, Batman trilogy?
Yes.
So this structure is in The Dark Knight Rises. They have shot this in India, in Rajasthan. I'm not telling you the place. Can you guess the place? And can you guess the structure? जैसे हमने जैसलमेर का फोर्ट देखा था, वे ये क्या है? Anybody guess the structure? Wild guess. आईफिल टावर तो नहीं हो सकता. कृषा, वेदिका, मीर. नील सर शायद सो गए ये सब.
हाँ, वो मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि वी आर जैसे टॉकिंग टू द कंप्यूटर.
Yeah. Are you guys bored of this? Should we change the building type?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
पता है? Okay, this is Jodhpur Fort, guys. Bandish Bandits. Jodhpur सबसे it's a blue city, correct? उसका fort है ये. Now this. Again, with the color of stone, where the structure will be.
Jaipur.
No, but yeah, it's in Rajasthan only, but not in,
Srinagar Fort.
yeah, very good, very good. So it's like आपके पास 4 ऑप्शंस तो होंगे वहाँ पे. आपको डिड्यूस कैसे करना है कि स्ट्रक्चर कहाँ पे होगा. राजस्थान में होगा तो बाकी ऑप्शंस डिलीट हो जाएंगे. करेक्ट? इट्स लाइक प्लेइंग केबीसी ओनली. सिंपल. Okay, tell me where is this?
Is it Kailash temple?
Yes, correct. Very good. This one? Same one.
Yes.
Okay, and now this one?
Sir, is it related to Buddhist architecture?
No, no, no. It's a Hindu architecture. It's a very famous temple in southern India. Saris are really famous over here. So girls, saris. Silk.
Pathan.
अरे नहीं रे. साउथ सदर्न इंडिया. पैठन कहाँ पे? और पैठन ही पैठन की फेमस नहीं रहती. येवले की फेमस रहती है. This is Kanchipuram, guys. This is Kanchipuram Shiva temple. Ekambeshwara. Yeah, Ekambeshwara temple. This is really famous for its natural light. So that's why this photo is clicked and to be seen in such a way that it is very famous that Dharavi kind of light here. That's why it's famous. Okay. Yeah. Guess. Even though South Indian temples have the same gopurams, but not all the gopurams are the same. They vary in the height, they vary in the styles, they vary in the details of it. This is the same temple, guys. This one and this one. It's the same temple complex. Same. So this is Varadaraja temple in Kanchipuram. That was Shiva temple. Shiva temple complex, and this is Varadaraja temple. I know that you might not be knowing this, but that's why we are exposing you to this content now, so that this is going through your memory right now. So even though you get an answer, so always remember, when you see such embroidery, when you see such what we can say workmanship, always remember that these are temples from southern India. Northern Indian temples, the temples in northern India, they don't have such embroideries or such ornamentation. They vary in their styles. Okay, remember this. Are you guys getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is really easy to remember the styles of northern Indian temples and southern Indian temples. Okay, and that's why in Maharashtra we used to get like a combination of both. So, now this is a very famous one. There are two famous temples in Khajuraho. This is the Duladiyo temple, and this one is the Kandariya temple, खजुराहो का. और ये खजुराहो के कांदारिया टेम्पल का सेक्शन है. तो कट करने के बाद कैसे दिखता है ये दिखाया है उसमें. दिस इज द फेमस टेम्पल ऑफ खजुराहो. ओके, अनदर फेमस स्ट्रक्चर. Who would like to volunteer? कौन गेस करेगा? Very simple one. Any volunteers? क्वेश्चन देने से पहले पूछ रहा हूँ. मैं बता रहा हूँ, वो बहुत सिंपल है. कौन वॉलंटियर करेगा? क्या नील सर, कोई भी वॉलंटियर नहीं करता है यहाँ?
साइमा, यू कैन आंसर. साइमा, आकांक्षा, चिन्मय.
या आकांक्षा ने तो एक भी नहीं दिया है.
हाँ, वो कहाँ है पता नहीं. वेरी सी.
Okay, let's see. Okay, Saima, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this question is for you.
Vijay Stamp.
Vijay
Vijay Stamp.
Vijay Stamp और उसको क्या बोलते हैं? और उसका नाम और भी है कुछ.
सर विक्टोरिया कुछ तो है क्या?
नहीं.
कीर्ति
Victory Tower.
Yeah, it's a
Victoria
Kirti Stamp.
Yes.
Kirti Stamp. And where this is?
Chittorgarh.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Is this the same one or different one?
Same one.
Same one. Check.
No, sir, it's not same.
Yeah, just check the ornamentation on this and check the ornamentation on this.
No, it's different.
Yeah, so that one is called as Vijay Stamp or Kirti Stamp in Chittorgarh. This is the Kirti Stamp in Madhya Pradesh. So remember, there are several. So this and this are same. Okay. Now tell me, which is this? Which temple is this?
Sun Temple.
Very nice. कैसे पता चला? Always
That
remember. Yeah, exactly. So the identical part is one wheel and you can identify the temple like that. Okay. So always make your memory as sharp as this. Okay. See, the same one. The building stands for its identity. So the wheel, the scale of the building, you can see how big the building is. It's the Sun Temple in Konark. Correct? Okay. Another thing. Can anybody guess this or this? The same temple. Guys, you don't know this temple?
Angkor Wat.
No.
No, no.
It's in
Sir,
India.
Jagannath temple.
No, 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 no.
You're close, but not that.
Yes,
कोणीतरी बरोबर
yes.
सांगितलं. Yes, right.
Yes. So always remember the pinnacle of it, the Shikhara part of this. It's a very unique Shikhara. You will never see such type of pinnacles or Shikhara in any temples. Whatever temples we have seen right now, you will never see such Shikhar in any temples. Okay, that's why it's Lingaraj temple. Okay, guess the fort. आप लोग तो पिकनिक के लिए भी गए होगे यहाँ पे. It's very near to Pune.
They might not be knowing. Maybe they are not going for trek. That's
Yeah, they should. And after this, and if Corona permits, we should have a trip to this. This is a Lohgarh fort. Lohgarh is really close by to Pune. It's like 40 kilometers from Pune only. It's a very nice fort. Okay, again another famous structure. Who's there for guessing it? Volunteer. Come on. Or should I say?
Yes, you can choose, sir. No problem.
Okay,
You-
Chinmay.
Call out the name.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
अरे हे तर
Lotus temple.
Okay. Now, Chinmay, bonus question for you now.
Yes. Um, elephant. No.
Another, कोणार्क टेम्पल कैसे पहचान लिया था उसके व्हील से. So this you should understand with the help of the engravings and elephants.
Elephant or
No. Same temple. कहाँ पे? Same temple. कहाँ पे?
looking at the landscape, it looks near what? Mountain, sea, valley, what?
mountain?
Shore Temple?
Ah,
Yeah, very good. So
Shore Temple?
yeah, it's closed now
cannot
because
believe.
yeah, the people cannot visit this temple very often now because of the shore and the salty winds, the stone is getting eroded. This is Mahabalipuram temple.
We were lucky to visit it.
Yeah, exactly. This is Mahabalipuram temple, and now after few years it will be really totally shut off. UNESCO is taking control of this. Yeah, tell me which one is this? Again, very famous structure from Madhya Pradesh. Okay, you guys might not be knowing this. This is called as Mana Mandir. Okay, this is very simple.
Meenakshi Temple.
Yeah. Now tell me what was the difference in between the older one, the Gopuram we saw in Kanchipuram and Meenakshi. What is the difference?
Color and details.
Exactly, color frame details and the ornamentation on it. So Kanchipuram.
Ninath sir, your voice is breaking. We are not able to hear you.
It. It's so detailed. See, this is Meenakshi temple. That's why it is so famous. Meenakshi temple is very famous for its architectural characteristics also. Yeah. Anybody?
Mysore Palace.
Very nice. Okay. This one? Now look at the texture, look at the stone they have used, look at the ornamentation. Which religion it belongs to?
Jain.
Huh?
Jain.
Yes, very nice. So what temple it might be? It's Palitana Jain temple, guys. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So
Sir, we
just
are
a minute.
already over time, so we can.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, just like I would like to go for like last 2-3
Okay.
slides.
Sure.
Yeah, which are really tricky. So Sanchi Stupa आपको पता है? This one, very famous structure in
Very
Gujarat.
famous.
Temple.
Correct,
Yes,
correct.
very nice, very nice. So yeah, anybody for this? This or this? It's a same structure from different angles. Which religion it belongs to? Is it a temple?
No, sir.
Okay, then what is it? And it's in Gujarat only. It's in Ahmedabad.
Is it a mosque?
Yes, but it's more than more. It's Sarkej Roja. So remember this, Sarkej. It's very famous for its design aspect. Taj Mahal pata hai. But you will not be knowing this. This is the plan of Taj Mahal.
Yes, we had revised that two days back.
Yes. So this is the plan of Taj Mahal. And only this. If you have only this, then this is the pinnacle of what?
Victorian.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Victoria Memorial. And this is the last one from the historical buildings.
Birla Temple.
No, it's Vrindavan Temple. Okay, so it was a nice one. मजा आया? मजा आया क्या आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
Yes,
I
sir.
have a different folder for institutional buildings, extra buildings, some temple buildings. Okay, now just last 2 minutes I'll take.
Okay.
But if you know what are the wonders of the world, do you know what are the wonders of the world?
7 wonders.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And
Sir.
what are the characteristics in which the wonders of the world are described now? They have given different parts. So the wonders of the world in medieval world, 7 wonders in modern world. Do you know all of those?
Yes.
Some of them.
Yeah. So next wonders of the world, the modern wonders of the world. आपको पता है वो? So ऐसा करते हैं, sir, Neil sir.
Yes.
What we'll do is on Monday,
Yeah.
we'll start with wonders of the world and let them guess.
Yes. We can show them.
Okay. So till Monday, what you can do is you can revise what are the wonders of the world, and I'll ask you on Monday, starting of the class. At the start of the class, I'll ask you about the wonders of the world, and we'll continue the class. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And meanwhile, you will be
Sir.
doing one mock test,
Yeah.
and you will be going through color theory and whatever we have learned till so far.
Yeah, correct. So we are going to give you a
Yes,
proper assignment. So it will be given to you by tomorrow morning, first half,
Yes.
so that you have to
And
do in the next 4 days.
yeah, and I'll upload these photos on the drive on the classroom within the next half an hour. Another thing, now you guys have to solve those papers, those logical reasonings and everything on your own. So make sure that you go on that website which is on your classroom and start solving those.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's meet on Monday then.
Yeah. See you all.
Yeah. See you. Take care.
Yeah.
Be good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Hello.
हाँ बोल रहे